everybody, I'm that common rare guy, and today is an Ultra unboxing. So today, for you, I have the DX Ultraman Decker D-Flasher unboxing. And this is the special D-Flasher. It comes with the main device, the card holder, and the first two sets of cards. So, yes, I know Ultraman Decker's been over for a while, and I just didn't get my hands on this for a while, and it took me a while before I actually watched Ultraman Decker. So that was just a whole thing. But anyways, enough of that. We've got an Ultra unboxing, so let's get right into it. Alright. Box number one. Oh, and box number two in the big box. Here we have the D-Flasher. Save all your jokes for the end of the video, please. All right, gonna set that to the side real quick. We'll get some batteries on that in just a second. And here we have the card holder, which can clip onto most belts. So it's pretty decent. And instead of lock card holders, we have to pull it open. This is a button. I like that. Okay. Ultraman Decker, Flash type. Strong type. Ultraman Z. Ultraman Zero. And then the monsters that names I always forget. Yeah, come on. Alright, so if you guys want to see the videos, or if you guys want to see videos with the monster cards or the other Ultraman, I'll do those in later videos, or I might just do quick little shorts out of them. We'll see. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Ultra unboxing. I know I did. And yeah, I'm doing this to mix it up a little bit. Don't want to do too much Common Rags and people might get bored. And I do have some side projects I'm working on, but that's for a later date. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. More to come very soon. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always Ultra Time!